Hello and welcome to Oak Business Consultant. Today we are going to discuss organic meal subscription Excel financial model template. Here you can see the table of contents. We have input sheet, revenue analysis, marketing budget, investment summary, financial statements, financial analysis, working sheet and dashboard. Moving forward to our first sheet, which is input sheet, we have starting inputs, company start date, operation start date. Then we have our funding assumptions, which include equity financing and debt financing. Then we have revenue and cost assumptions. Then we have our tax rate. Then we have calculated digital marketing cost. Next, we have monthly employees payroll. Then we have capital and operating expenses, which are on the timeline of 5 years with an inflation rate of 4%. Then we have a working capital assumption. Next up, we have revenue analysis, which are calculated on yearly basis and monthly basis. We have calculated our total revenue of the business and then the total cost. Then we have calculating the marketing budget, marketing analysis. We have lead segmentation, Google Ads marketing, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube marketing, and then we have calculated digital marketing summary, in which we calculated the total digital marketing cost. Next up, we have investment summary, in which we can calculate the maximum funding that is required. Then we have funds that are received. Then we have additional funding required, if any. Then we have calculated our variable cost, fixed cost, and the total expense of the business and the repayment of loan, which is a financing cost. Then next up, we have our financial statements of the business, which includes three statements. Number one is statement of profit and loss. Then we have statement of cash flow. Then we have statement of financial position. Next up, we have financial analysis, in which we have our break-even analysis, company valuation. We have calculated the weighted average cost of capital. Then we have company valuation. Then we have sensitivity analysis, which is calculated on three different scenarios: actual, optimistic, and then the last scenario, pessimistic. Then over here we have calculated key performance indicators and ratios, which shows the companies for profitability, liquidity, solvency, efficiency. And then last, we have calculated customer acquisition cost and customer lifetime value analysis. And lastly, we have created a dashboard to get a perfect picture of the business, to get to know the gross profit margin, net profit margin, revenue growth, net present value, internal rate of return, expected equity percentage. These are the graphs shown on the data we have created. This is it from my side for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Goodbye.